Strawberry Jell-O pie, simply delicious. Try easy recipe, the best no-bake strawberry Jell-O pie. Try the recipe. For the strawberry lovers who are on the hunt for an easy-to-make dessert, this simple strawberry pie is just the thing. Besides simplicity, Cara Lands of MidwesternHomelife.com says this pie is a delicious dessert dish. The only hard part about making it is waiting for it to set up in the fridge, said Lands, Minnesota. This recipe takes mere minutes of prep time and, to Lands's point, the fridge does the work. Grab that pint of strawberries and attempt this amazingly easy dessert. Makes 8 servings. Prep time, 10 minutes. Chill/set time, 2 hours, 10 minutes. 1 cup water, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 3 ounce. Box strawberry Jell-O, 4 cups sliced strawberries, plus more for serving, optional. 9-inch graham cracker crust, store-bought or homemade, whipped cream for serving, optional. 1. Mix water, sugar and cornstarch together in a saucepan. Heat to a boil over medium heat. Stir for 1 minute. Remove from the heat. 2. Add the strawberry gelatin and stir until it has dissolved, about 2 minutes. 3. Let the mixture cool at room temperature for about 10 minutes. 4. Stir in the strawberries. Pour the mixture into the graham cracker crust. 5. Chill in the refrigerator until set, about 2 hours. 6. Serve with whipped cream and fresh strawberries. This original recipe is owned by Midwestern Home Life.com and was shared with Fox News Digital.